What if the giants of AI are about to face a reckoning? Imagine this. The companies that once seemed unstoppable, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, are now at risk of becoming mere suppliers in a race where the real winners are the startups building on top of them. Sounds far-fetched? Let's break it down. The foundation model fallacy. For years, the holy grail of AI was the foundation model, massive, pre-trained systems like GPT or Claude that could be adapted to any task. But here's where it gets controversial. Many startups and developers now treat these models like off-the-shelf tools, swapping them in and out as needed. At last week's BoxWorks conference, the air was thick with discussions about user-friendly software built on top of AI, not the AI itself. Startups are no longer chasing the dream of creating the next GPT. They're focused on solving specific problems, like coding assistance, image generation, or enterprise data tools with custom interfaces and fine-tuned models. Why the shift? The magic of pre-training, where AI models learn from massive datasets, has hit a wall. Early gains from scaling up models have plateaued, and the returns on billions spent on server time are shrinking. Meanwhile, the real progress is happening in post-training and reinforcement learning. Want a better coding tool? You're better off tweaking the interface and training it on niche codebases than rebuilding a foundation model from scratch. Even Anthropic, a company built around foundation models, is thriving in this new world, but their edge isn't as unshakable as it once was. The Starbucks analogy and why it hurts. One founder described the future of foundation model companies as selling coffee beans to Starbucks. Think about it. If Starbucks can buy beans from anyone, the bean suppliers become interchangeable. Similarly, startups no longer care whether their app runs on GPT-5, Claude, or Gemini. They just want the best tool for the job, and if another model comes along that's cheaper or faster, they'll switch without blinking. Open source alternatives are compounding this problem, making it harder for proprietary models to charge a premium. The big picture, a new AI economy. The AI landscape is fracturing into 1,000 specialized niches. Instead of a single all-powerful AGI, we're seeing a surge in tools for specific industries, software development, healthcare, logistics, and more. The question isn't just who builds the best foundation model, but who can create the most intuitive interface or the most efficient workflow. And here's the kicker. The companies that once seemed destined to dominate, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, might end up as just another layer in a stack, with slim margins and little control over their own fate. But wait, are the giants doomed? Not so fast. These companies still have massive advantages, brand loyalty, infrastructure, and cash reserves that could buy them time. OpenAI's consumer apps, for instance, might still hold value that competitors can't replicate. And let's not forget, AI is moving so fast that today's trends could reverse tomorrow. A breakthrough in general AI could suddenly make foundation models valuable again. Still, the writing's on the wall. Venture capitalist Martin Casado recently dropped a bombshell. There's no inherent moat in the AI tech stack. OpenAI was first to release a coding model and image generator, but both were quickly outpaced by rivals. If even the pioneers can't hold their lead, what does that say about the future? Your turn to weigh in. Do you think the future belongs to the startups building on top of foundation models, or will the giants adapt and reclaim their throne? Is the commoditization of AI inevitable, or are we missing something? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. A final twist, the risk of bigger models. Meta's recent billion-dollar bet on bigger foundation models now feels like a gamble. If the industry is shifting towards specialized tools, is this just a costly distraction? Or could a leap in model size unlock breakthroughs in fields like drug discovery or materials science? The answer isn't clear, and that's what makes this story so fascinating. Russell Brandom has been tracking the tech industry's highs and lows since 2012, with a focus on how platforms and emerging technologies reshape our world. His work has appeared in The Verge, Wired, and MIT Technology Review. You can reach him at russell.brandom@techcrunch.co or via Signal at 412-401-5489. This story was first published on TechCrunch on October 27th to 29th, 2025. At the San Francisco event where the future of AI is being hotly debated.